Dear friend, everyone loves eating out, but with the rising prices at restaurants, we have all had to cut back. Wouldn't it be nice to save money by making your favorite restaurant dishes at home instead? Well, now you can with America's Restaurant Recipes. In this 2-volume cookbook, you'll discover the secret recipes for your family's favorite restaurant dishes. As seen on Fox News, Good Morning America, Home Shopping Network, ABC, NBC, People Magazine, and more. New York Times best-selling author Ron Douglas reveals the jealously guarded secret restaurant recipes that have been kept away from the public for years. With these easy-to-follow recipes, you are sure to wow your family and friends with meals that taste just like the Olive Garden, the Cheesecake Factory, Outback Steakhouse, P.F. Chang's, Red Lobster, KFC, and many more. Skip those long lines and enjoy these delicious dishes in your own kitchen. Now, for a limited time only, when you order America's Restaurant Recipes Volume 1, you'll get the Volume 2 cookbook for free. Act now to secure this buy one, get one special offer. Order now and spice up dinner time in your home.
Let's get started. Celebrating Father's Day without his favorite dishes would just be meaningless and uninteresting. It is only your father's favorite dishes that gives taste to the theme of celebration. But isn't it a good idea to make things in a different way? Imagine how nice will it be, preparing a new dish for him and strike him with a sudden feeling of wonder. Making him delighted with some great dishes is perhaps the best gift that you can give to your father on the Father's Day. A special start-up with refreshing mint tea. Start off celebrating Father's Day with a well blend of love and respect for him, and obviously with the special mint tea. You will wonder how fresh mint can give the ordinary iced tea an extraordinary touch. This will definitely give an everlasting impact not only in your father's mind but will surprise all in your family. Ingredients: all that you will require to make 3 quarts of special mint tea are 8 fresh mint sprigs, 8 tea bags, 2½ cup pineapple juice, 1 cup sugar, 2 quarts boiling water and 6 ounces frozen lemonade concentrate. Direction: combine the mint sprigs, tea bags and sugar all together and pour boiling water over the mixture. Cover it and let steep for 25 minutes. Remove all the unwanted mint sprigs and tea bags and pour the thing into an enlarged punch bowl. Add lemonade concentrate, pineapple juice and cold water and stir it well until the things get mixed properly. Serve over ice and garnish it with some additional mint sprigs. It is a perfect refreshment after the morning jogging. Brew Burger Punch: here is a good recipe that you can try out on the Father's Day this year. There is nothing like a delicious brew burger, and it is beyond all doubts that your father would like it. Ingredients: all you need to prepare a brew burger for 3 people are 3 slices of sweet cheese, 3 whole wheat rolls or burger buns, 3 slices of sweet onions, 1 pound ground beef and brew sauce including 1/5 cup beer and 1/5 cup prepared steak sauce. Direction for this recipe: combine the beer and the steak sauce in a cup, cover it and put it to microwave on high for at least 1 minute. Shape the ground beef into 3 equally thick patties and place the onions and the patties together on grill at moderately high temperature for 15 minutes. Turn off the microwave and season it with salt. Before serving it, brush with sauce and top it with cheese. Line bottom of every roll with lettuce and tomatoes, add brew sauce and onions and close the bun before serving. Nothing seems better than yummy smashed buttermilk and parsley potatoes as a side dish with the brew burger. You can also add pickles if you're fond of them. Your Father's Day celebration will get a perfect touch with these simple yet nice hearty recipes. You will wonder how amazing these recipes are to bring great joy on the happy Father's Day for your family, and especially for your father, who has been the anchor for the ship of your family since many years. The secret recipes for your favorite restaurant dishes have now been revealed in this best-selling new cookbook. Download now in the description below.